Most people trade their time for money. That's a losing game. They wake up early, rush to work, and spend the majority of their day in an office, only to come home exhausted. This cycle repeats day after day, year after year. They believe that working harder and longer will eventually lead to financial security, but in reality, it often leads to burnout and stress. The rich understand that money is a tool. They don't work for money, they make money work for them. They invest their time in learning about finances, understanding how money flows, and leveraging it to create more wealth. They seek advice from financial experts and continuously educate themselves on the best strategies to grow their wealth. Use it to acquire assets that generate income. These assets can be anything from real estate properties that provide rental income to stocks that pay dividends, or even businesses that generate profits. The key is to invest in things that will continue to make money for you, even when you're not actively working. This is the essence of financial freedom. Imagine being able to take a vacation whenever you want without worrying about losing income. Picture yourself enjoying life, spending time with loved ones, and pursuing your passions, all while your investments continue to generate income for you. That's the power of making money work for you. I learned this from my two dads, my biological father, whom I call my poor dad, and my best friend's father, whom I call my rich dad. Both men were influential in my life, but they had very different views on money and wealth. My poor dad worked hard his whole life, paying taxes to support a system that didn't benefit him. He believed in the traditional path of getting a good education, finding a stable job, and working diligently until retirement. Despite his hard work, he often struggled financially and was constantly stressed about money. My rich dad taught me to build businesses and invest in assets that put money in my pocket, not the government's. He showed me the importance of financial education and how to use the tax code to my advantage. He believed in creating multiple streams of income and building wealth through smart investments. The tax code is complex, but it's not designed to keep you down. In fact, it offers numerous opportunities for those who understand it. There are deductions, credits, and incentives that can significantly reduce your tax burden if you know how to take advantage of them. It's a roadmap to financial success if you know how to read it. Stop working for money. Start learning how to make money work for you. Educate yourself on financial matters, seek advice from experts, and take control of your financial future. Start building your own financial empire. It won't happen overnight, but with dedication and the right knowledge, you can create a future where you are financially free and secure. It's time to change your mindset and take control of your financial future. The journey to financial freedom begins with a single step. Make that step today and start building the life you've always dreamed of. The rich don't cheat the system, they understand it. They have a deep knowledge of how financial systems work, and they use this knowledge to their advantage. They are not just playing the game, they are mastering it. They know the loopholes, the benefits, and the intricacies that most people overlook. This understanding allows them to navigate the financial landscape with precision and confidence. They know the rules of the game, and they use them to their advantage. They are constantly learning and adapting to new regulations and opportunities. They have teams of advisors, accountants, and lawyers who help them stay ahead. This proactive approach ensures they are always in a position to capitalize on new opportunities and avoid potential pitfalls. They don't just earn money, they create it. Through innovative ideas, strategic investments, and calculated risks, they generate wealth that continues to grow. They understand that money is a tool, and they use it to build businesses, invest in startups, and create multiple streams of income. This mindset sets them apart from those who simply work for a paycheck. They invest in assets that appreciate in value and generate passive income. Real estate, stocks, bonds, and other investment vehicles are carefully chosen to ensure long-term growth. They diversify their portfolios to spread risk and maximize returns. This approach allows them to build wealth steadily over time, without relying solely on active income. And they use every legal means to minimize their tax burden. They understand the tax code and use it to their advantage, employing strategies like tax deferral, deductions, and credits. They work with tax professionals to ensure they are compliant while paying as little tax as legally possible. This allows them to keep more of their earnings and reinvest it into further wealth-building activities. The middle class, on the other hand, are often trapped in a cycle of working for money and paying taxes. They may not have the same level of financial education or access to expert advice. As a result, they often miss out on opportunities to grow their wealth and are more likely to be burdened by debt and financial stress. They focus on saving, not investing. While saving is important, it doesn't offer the same potential for growth as investing. The middle class often prioritizes safety and security over taking calculated risks that could lead to greater financial rewards. This conservative approach can limit their ability to build significant wealth over time. They buy liabilities, not assets. Cars, homes, and other big-ticket items can drain resources rather than generate income. These purchases often come with ongoing costs and depreciation, which can hinder financial growth. The rich, on the other hand, focus on acquiring assets that will appreciate in value and provide a return on investment. The good news is, you don't have to be born rich to think like the rich. Financial education is accessible to everyone, and with the right knowledge and mindset, anyone can start making smarter financial decisions. By learning from the strategies of the wealthy, you can begin to build your own path to financial independence. You can learn the rules and start playing the game to win. Invest in your financial education, seek out mentors, and stay informed about the latest financial trends and opportunities. With dedication and effort, you can transform your financial future and achieve the success you desire. Taxes are the price we pay for a civilized society, but that doesn't mean you have to overpay. The tax code is filled with deductions, credits, and loopholes designed to incentivize certain behaviors. The government wants you to invest in real estate, start businesses, and create jobs. Why? Because these activities stimulate the economy. So how do you take advantage? By understanding the rules and using them to your advantage. Don't be afraid to seek professional help. A good accountant or tax advisor can be your most valuable asset. Deductions are legal ways to reduce your taxable income. The more you deduct, the less you pay in taxes. Business owners have a significant advantage here. They can deduct expenses related to their business, such as office space, travel, and marketing. But even employees can take advantage of deductions, such as those for home office expenses, student loan interest, and charitable contributions. The key is to track your expenses meticulously and consult with a tax professional to ensure you're maximizing your deductions. One of the best ways to reduce your tax liability is to start a business. As a business owner, you have access to a whole new world of deductions and tax advantages. Incorporate your business to take advantage of lower tax rates. Consider forming an S corporation or a limited liability company or LLC to further reduce your tax burden. Remember, your business doesn't have to be a Fortune 500 company. It could be a side hustle, a real estate investment, or even a passion project. The important thing is to start building your own empire, one asset at a time. Section 6. The magic of depreciation. Depreciation is a powerful tool that allows you to deduct the cost of an asset over time. This is particularly beneficial for real estate investors. Let's say you buy a rental property. Each year, you can deduct a portion of the property's value as depreciation, even though the property is likely appreciating in value. This creates a phantom expense that reduces your taxable income, even though you're not actually spending any cash. Depreciation is a complex topic, so it's crucial to consult with a tax professional to ensure you're following the rules correctly. Section 7. Investing for tax advantages. Investing is not just about making money, it's also about keeping more of what you earn. Tax-advantaged accounts, like 401, KIAs, and Roth IRAs, allow you to grow your money tax-free or tax-deferred. Real estate, as mentioned before, offers numerous tax benefits, including depreciation and deductions for mortgage interest and property taxes. By investing strategically, you can reduce your tax burden and accelerate your path to financial freedom. Section 8. Seeking expert guidance. Navigating the complex world of taxes can be daunting. Don't be afraid to seek professional help. A good accountant or tax advisor can help you develop a personalized tax plan, identify potential deductions, and ensure you're in compliance with the law. Think of it as an investment in your financial future. The right professional can save you thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars in taxes over your lifetime. Remember, the rich don't try to do everything themselves. They surround themselves with experts who can help them achieve their financial goals. Section 9. Taking control of your financial destiny. Understanding how to legally reduce your tax burden is not about being greedy. It's about being smart and strategic with your finances. Taxes are one of the biggest expenses you'll face in your lifetime, and knowing how to manage them effectively can make a significant difference in your financial health. It's about taking control of your financial destiny. When you understand the tax code and how to use it to your advantage, you empower yourself to make better financial decisions. This knowledge can help you save money, invest wisely, and plan for a secure future. It's about having the freedom to pursue your passions, provide for your family, and make a difference in the world. Financial freedom gives you the ability to live life on your own terms, whether that means traveling the world, starting a business, or simply enjoying more quality time with loved ones. Don't let fear or ignorance hold you back. Many people are intimidated by the complexity of the tax system, but with the right resources and guidance, you can navigate it successfully. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you know, the more control you have over your financial future. Educate yourself about the tax code, seek expert guidance, and take proactive steps to manage your finances. There are many tools and resources available to help you understand the intricacies of taxes and financial planning. Start building your own path to financial freedom. This journey requires dedication, but the rewards are well worth the effort. By taking control of your finances, you can create a stable and prosperous future for yourself and your family. Remember, the government isn't going to make you rich. It's up to you to take the initiative and make informed decisions that will benefit your financial well-being. The tax system is designed to collect revenue, not to make individuals wealthy. But by understanding the rules of the game, you can take charge of your finances and create the future you deserve. With the right knowledge and strategies, you can turn the tax system to your advantage and achieve your financial goals. Take control today and start building the life you want.